Assalamualaikum. Hello friends, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to insert a square symbol in Microsoft Excel. Step 1. Select cells, then go to insert menu, equations, click here, select script, select script box, I select this, then type box, select box on, type any word, I type A, select two box, type square. Step 2. Select this, type A or X, write 2, select 2, then go to format cell, superscript, superscript, okay. We can see inside a square symbol. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.